Impact of panic symptoms on quality of life and disability in patients with bronchial asthma. Asthma is a major public health problem, and its prevalence is increasing in both developed and developing countries in recent years. Anxiety and panic are known to be associated with bronchial asthma with a variety of impacts on clinical presentation, treatment outcome, comorbidities, quality of life, and functional disability in patients with asthma. These psychological factors can directly exacerbate asthma symptoms through hyperventilation, patients' overuse of as-needed asthma medications, more frequent hospital admissions, longer hospital stays, and more frequent steroid treatment. This study aims to explore the pattern of panic symptoms, prevalence and severity of panic disorder, PD, quality of life, and disability in them. A hospital-based cross-sectional study was conducted in the Psychiatry and Chest Medicine Outpatient Department of a tertiary care hospital between January 2012 and June 2013. 60 consecutive patients of bronchial asthma were interviewed using a semi-structured proforma, panic and agoraphobia scale, WHO Quality of Life, QOL, BREF scale, and WHO Disability Schedule 2, HUDAS-2. Data were analyzed in IBM SPSS version 21, IBM Incorporated, software. Sociodemographic details, clinical data and scores of various scales were compared between asthmatics with and without panic disorder using the Chi-square and unpaired test. The mean duration of bronchial asthma in this study group was 7.8 years. Though 60% of the participants had panic symptoms, only 46.7% had diagnosable panic attacks according to DSM-4 diagnostic criteria, and 33.3% had PD. Most common symptoms were sensations of shortness of breath or smothering, feeling of choking, and fear of dying, found in 83.3% of the participants. The results showed that 73.3% of the participants had poor quality of life, which was most impaired in the physical and environmental domains. In this study, 55% of the participants had disability score more than the mean, 18.1. A statistically significant association was observed between HUDAS scores and the severity of both panic disorder and asthma. 1/3 of the participants had panic disorder with a significant effect on physical and environmental domains of quality of life. Patients with more severe PD and bronchial asthma had more disability. This study highlights the significant comorbidity of anxiety and panic disorder in asthma, highlighting the need for future research into the underlying biological and cognitive mechanisms. Introduction. Asthma is a long-term lung condition that affects millions of people around the world, including in Spain and India. It causes symptoms like shortness of breath, wheezing, chest tightness, and coughing, which can come and go. These physical symptoms can also affect a person's mental health. People with asthma may feel anxious or even develop panic attacks, especially during severe breathing difficulties. Studies show that people with asthma are more likely to suffer from panic disorder than those without asthma. In fact, panic and anxiety can make asthma worse, leading to more frequent attacks, overuse of medications, longer hospital stays, and a lower quality of life. Panic disorder can also lead to people avoiding situations they fear might trigger an attack, which affects their work, relationships, and overall well-being. However, there is limited research, especially in India, exploring how panic disorder and asthma are linked. This study aims to understand how common panic disorder is among people with asthma, how it affects their asthma symptoms, and what impact it has on their daily life. Understanding this relationship better can help improve both the mental and physical health care for people living with asthma. Conclusion. This study looked at how common panic symptoms and panic disorder are in people with asthma. Many patients experienced symptoms like shortness of breath, choking sensations, and fear of dying during asthma attacks. Nearly half had diagnosable panic attacks, and over half of those had frequent episodes. About one-third of the participants were found to have panic disorder, with most of them having a severe form. These individuals also reported a poorer quality of life, especially in physical and environmental aspects. Those with both severe asthma and panic disorder experienced more disability and greater difficulty in daily life. The study highlights the strong connection between asthma and panic disorder, showing that mental health issues can worsen asthma symptoms and reduce quality of life. It suggests the need for more research and better treatment approaches that address both physical and emotional health in asthma patients to improve overall care and outcomes. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.